Hello, my name is Alicia Hilton, and I am in Methods and Research class 520 social work. Um, Experience in methods and research. I do not have any experience in methods and research. I cannot recall anything that I've taken, even in my undergrad, for those courses, and I could be wrong because it was a long time ago that I got my undergrad, but to my knowledge, I don't recall taking any classes in method and research. Hmm, let's see. What would make it fun? I'm not sure what would make methods and research or learning it fun. I'm being honest. I feel like it's a lot of collecting data and I don't see anything fun in that. So I'm not sure what's going to make this fun. Hopefully, it'll surprise me and I'll have a different outlook when the class is over, I guess. I believe as long as it's presented in a manner that I can understand with a small, you know, in small portions, maybe I'll understand it and like it. And hopefully the professor will be able to guide us and give us more insight so we can, I want it to be interesting at least. Let's see. What am I going to be excited about? I am excited about doing my project with my other group members for inpatient psychiatric. Now that I think would be interesting. I worked as a psychiatric technician at CHOP Hospital for about 5 years, so I have a lot of mental health experience, but I am a social worker for the city of Philadelphia under DHS, but in the juvenile detention area, and I've done that for 20 years. So it'll be interesting. We have a lot more mental health than we did a while ago when I first started. So learning more and doing this project should be fun. And hopefully my group members will be fun too. And I don't know if I said it, but my name is Alicia Hilton. Thanks.